Guys, I hear a garbage truck. Man, I haven't seen Melvin in a while. Melvin's here. Wow, I haven't seen him in a while, but now I'm back to see him today. There he is. It's only 7:49 in the morning. There he goes. Oh, sorry. I was not looking. I think they're gonna back it up. Oh, there he goes. Haven't seen Melvin in a while. It's been a very long time. Wow, it's 34:02. Wow. He's here today. Oh, wow. Today is just garbage. Today is just garbage. No recycling today. There's Melvin. Wow. I can't believe I heard him today. But anyway, yeah. Wow, Melvin's back today. Alright, Melvin's coming to our house after this. He bought this truck in June. It is so cold today. It's almost Christmas. Oh, it's our turn. Wow. Hi, Melvin. Good.
Long time no see.
Wow. Oh, I also wanted to remember, last year you gave me an All-American Way sweatshirt.
Yes.
It was amazing.
Okay, you're welcome.
Wow. I haven't seen you in a very long time. Wow. Oh my God. Alright, maybe.
Okay, I'm like, okay.
Alright, have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Wow. Melvin eventually came. Wow. Well, I actually don't have school today. It's because my ear hurts a little bit, but my ear is starting to hurt right now, so I actually might not go to school today. Wow. And I've been recording the garbage truck since June 19th, 2024. Oh, wow. Maybe I might see Dylon. I don't know. Man, I haven't seen Melvin in a while. Oh. There goes Melvin. Alright. Wow. I just haven't seen him in a while. But I'm actually off of school today. Man, Melvin has been working here for a while now. And he now drives a garbage truck. I haven't seen Melvin in a while. It's just been a very long time. I haven't seen him in a very, 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 very long time. Oh, wow. But now I'm finally back to see him today. I've been a good boy this year. Oh, what is going on? Oh. Oh, there it goes. Bye-bye, Melvin. I'll see you in 7 days, but maybe... Alright. Bye-bye, Melvin. I'll see you in 7 days, but although I might be at school... Oh, wow. That was just very cool. Man. Oh, I gotta go check this. What's 7:54 in the morning? Oh, wow. Finally. Man, I haven't seen Melvin in a while. Oh, my God. Oh, wow. Wow. I almost slipped. And can you guys believe it? Now, I gotta go get the other can. And plus, don't know why I'm wearing my pajamas right now, but yeah, it's just very cold out today. Oh wow, there's a little. It smells disgusting. Wow. I finally heard Melvin today. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, wow. Jeez, this thing is loud. Alright. Finally. With all that being said, guys, that's going to do it for today about looking at the garbage truck for today. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye, guys.